India woke up to the rude shock of the biggest ever bank fraud in last 75 years involving 22,000 crore rupees.
बहुत बड़ा घोटाला सामने आया है। एक दो नहीं बल्कि 2 दर्जन से ज्यादा बैंकों के साथ धोखाधड़ी की गई है। आंकड़ा इतना बड़ा है कि बैंकिंग घोटाले के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स टूटते नजर आ रहे हैं।
Yes, we will be talking about the hot topic of the week in the banking sector, which even led to the stock market fell into the red zone on the very much red Valentine's Day. You are here with us on BST Insider with yet another ongoing issue in our country. So let's talk about how all this started. It was all started in 2007 when ABG Shipyard was allotted 1.21 lakh square meters of land. Then they also were allotted 50 hectares of land for ABG Shipyard in Dahej, that's in Surat, in Gujarat, sorry. Now the question arises is, what actually happened? So the Central Bureau of Investigation has filed a case against ABG Shipyard Limited, one of the largest private sector shipping companies in the country, for allegedly cheating a consortium of 28 banks and financial institutions led by ICICI Bank to the tune of 22,842 crore, the largest amount in a single bank fraud case ever. And consortium means a group of banks which actually lend us an amount which, for example, if it's 500 crores, so 2 or 3 banks combined give us the loan. Now, what does the FIR states? The Central Anti-Corruption Probe Agency has named ABG Shipyard Limited's chairman cum managing director Rishi Kamlesh Agrawal, executive director Santhanaman Muttuswamy and 3 other directors Ashwini Kumar, Sushil Kumar Agrawal and Ravi Vimal Nivetaya in its first information report FIR on February 7 under Criminal Conspiracy, Cheating and Prevention of Corruption Act. Now the next question arises is about ABG Shipyard. ABG Shipyard Limited is the flagship company of ABG Group and is engaged in the business of shipbuilding and ship repair and is a major player in the Indian shipbuilding industry, especially in India. Its yards are located in Dahej and Surat in Gujarat, and the company is learned to have constructed over 165 vessels including 46 for export market in the last 16 years. The next question arises is the total amount involved. According to the complaint filed by the State Bank of India (SBI) in the matter, the total exposure of 28 banks and the financial institution as on date is rupees 22,842 crore, out of which the ABG owes highest amount to ICICI Bank, that is 7,089 crore, 3,639 crore to IDBI Bank, 2,925 crore to SBI Bank, 1,614 crore to Bank of Baroda, 1,244 crore to Punjab National Bank, and a sum of 6,331 crore to other 23 banks or financial institutions in India. Now the next question arises is how the fraud was detected. The alleged fraud came to the light during a forensic audit by Ernst & Young, an audit company of the loans account transaction from April 2012 to July 2017. Between April 2012 and July 2017, the accused persons collided together and committed illegal activities including diversion of funds, misappropriation, and criminal breach of trust. According to the complaint lodged by the bank, the account was declared a fraud in June 2019. The account has become non-performing asset in July 2016 with effect from November 30, 2013. Now we also have another what is the allegation. According to the FIR, the forensic audit revealed diversion of funds, misappropriation and criminal breach of trust. The funds were allegedly used for unstated purpose. Investments were made through a Singapore-based subsidiary and there were payouts running into hundreds of crores of rupees to related parties. Properties were also bought from the funds provided by ABG Shipyard. The auditor also detected evidence of circular transactions. The total fair market value of the securities provided by the company against the credit facilities was 8,605.35 crore, said the FIR. The SBI's complaint to CBI states that the global crisis impacted the shipping industry due to fall in commodity demand and prices and subsequent fall in cargo demand. It says there was no demand of commercial vessels and the industry was going through downturn even in 2015. It says the ABJ ABG was referred to the National Company Law Tribunal and a resolution professional was appointed. The CBI FIR states that role of public servants needs to be investigated in the matter. Now, how this will affect our economy? It automatically has affected our stock market in a very drastically way, because we see a very huge downfall on Valentine's Day, that was February 2014-2022. Thank you for watching.